Hello and welcome to Total IELTS. Peter here, and in today's video lesson I'll be looking at IELTS Writing Task 2, Mixed Questions. We'll look at how you should analyze the task, plan and structure your answer, and write an effective introduction, body paragraphs, and a short and sweet conclusion. So first of all, analyze the task. Mixed questions are a combination of the main types of writing task 2, and they're extremely common in task 2. In the instructions, you'll usually see two questions. It can be a combination of advantages and disadvantages, and causes or solutions. For example, here's a trending topic. Nowadays, more people are choosing to socialize online rather than face-to-face. Why is this happening? Is this a positive or negative development? So here we have a combination of the essay type reasons or causes, plus is it positive or negative? And another example. Increasing the price of petrol is the best way to solve growing traffic and pollution problems. To what extent do you agree? What other measures do you think might be effective? Here we have a combination of agree or disagree type plus solutions. So before we start writing, let's remind ourselves of a simple structure using this example task about socializing online rather than face-to-face. Why is it happening, and is it positive or negative? Adopt a simple 4-paragraph format. Paragraph 1 is your introduction. This is where you paraphrase the task and write your thesis statement. Paragraph 2 is the causes or reason with one or maximum of 2 causes. Paragraph 3, is it positive or negative? This is where you choose one or the other, and I'll go into more detail about this later on. Paragraph 4 is your conclusion. That's where you restate your main cause or reason, plus the main reason why you think it's positive or negative. Next, planning, and this is the key stage for all writing task 2. First of all, write your introduction before you do anything else. This is where you paraphrase the task. For example, an increasing number of people are meeting and interacting with friends and family via social media sites rather than in person. After this, write your thesis statement. This is where you will say what you will do in your essay and take a clear position. Is it positive or negative? This essay will discuss the reason for this trend, along with the writer's explanation as to why this is a positive phenomenon. And the next step is planning your body paragraphs, and this is a key stage in all writing task 2. So the first question is, why is this happening? Some sources say you should brainstorm as many ideas as possible when it comes to planning your body paragraphs. However, this is incredibly time consuming and you can end up with so many ideas you don't know which ones, or it's difficult to select the best. So instead, try selective thinking. This is where you think about 2 or 3 reasons and go with them. So for reasons or causes, I've gone with 2. First one is lifestyle changes with an increased workload, and the other one, it's trendy. In other words, everybody is doing it. For the next paragraph, paragraph 3, positive or negative, there are 2 recommended positions to take. Either 100% positive or negative, or go 50-50. But because this is a mixed question, remember that your position or opinion needs to be backed up with supporting details. Therefore, I recommend you go either 100% positive or negative because of the time constraints. So I've gone for 100% positive. For two reasons. First one, because it's convenient. It's instant interaction compared to the previous practice of letter writing. And it's also an opportunity to make new friends, and the added bonus is you don't lose touch with your current friends. After the planning stage, step 3 is writing your body paragraphs. For the second paragraph, why is this happening? I've gone for one reason only. That's lifestyle changes brought about by increased workload. When it comes to writing your body paragraphs, one reason is actually enough, especially if you have sufficient supporting details to develop your paragraph. So my topic sentence is, the main explanation for this trend, in my estimation, is the changes in our lifestyle brought about by the increased demands of the workplace. Now, when it comes to supporting details, the instruction in the task always says, use your knowledge, experience, and give examples. So for this one, I've gone for knowledge. Research has shown that employees are working a lot more hours these days. However, staying connected with their loved ones has never been easier because of the advances in the development of technology. For the third paragraph, is it positive or negative? I've gone for 100% positive. And my topic sentence, despite the risks of becoming a victim of criminal practice such as fraud, I believe that communicating online has been a positive enhancement to our daily lives, primarily because of the convenience it affords to busy people. And for the supporting details, I've gone with an example. Before the development of the internet and social media, the length of time between contacting others could be considerable, and in some cases could result in losing touch permanently. And step 4 is writing your conclusion, which should always be short and sweet. A conclusion, by definition, is a summary of what you have already written and nothing else. So you should restate, as in paraphrase, the main reason or cause for this trend, and the main reason why you believe it's positive or negative. So the main reason for this trend, in conclusion, people have increasingly resorted to interacting through technology because of their busy lifestyle. And the main reason why I believe it's positive, as a result, this practice has revolutionized the way we socialize and, in my view, has had a positive impact on society. So in summary, mixed questions are probably the most common task type in IELTS Writing Task 2. Begin by analyzing the task. Read the statement and highlight the keywords. Then read the question types to understand what you're being asked to do. Here we looked at the reasons or causes for a trend and is it a positive or negative development. Always adopt a simple 4-paragraph structure for this question type. Paragraph 1, your introduction. Paragraph 2, 1 or maximum of 2 causes. Paragraph 3, choose either positive or negative. And finish in paragraph 4 with your conclusion. Begin by writing your introduction, that's paraphrasing the statement, plus your thesis statement. Plan your body paragraphs. Think about 1 and a maximum of 2 reasons for this trend. And the same for, is it positive or negative? Write your body paragraphs and finish with a short and sweet conclusion where you restate your main cause and the reason why it's positive. If you want to get a Band 8 sample answer with a free PDF download, visit the Total-IELTS website.